Hi everyone, are you facing a LinkedIn restriction and not sure what to do the next? Don't worry, in this video I will share two powerful methods to recover your LinkedIn account fast based on the real results. So method first, contact LinkedIn support form. Let's start with the first method. Go to the LinkedIn help center and fill out the account restriction appeal form. Make sure to mention your full name, LinkedIn profile URL, explain the issue politely. Request them to re-verify your identity and be honest your response. You will usually receive a reply within 24 to 48 hours. So method 2, direct LinkedIn employee approach. The second method is a bit more advanced but very effective. Search for a LinkedIn employees who on LinkedIn itself, especially people who work in trust and safety, customer operation and supporting. Politely send them a personalized connections request and message them your issue. Be respectful, short and clear. Sometimes a small nudge from the inside can fast track your account review. Both these methods have helped many users. I'm sure they can help you too. For step-by-step tutorial with a detailed screen recording of each method, check out the video linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more practical LinkedIn tips. Thank you everyone.